MCO GO is the new management system for lubricants developed by Piusi, created for any kind of workshops. No more drip trays, tanks, barrels, or trolley carts. With MCO GO, even small businesses have a centralized system available for quick and precise fluid transfers to save time and money. Manage everything from one place and improve your business today. Flexible, immediate, and simple, MCO GO is quick and easy to install and ready for use. Just connect your devices to the control unit and you are done. No need for complex networks, software, or Wi-Fi. Once everything is connected, just one click will initialize the system. MCO GO is completely operated from the control unit, the heart and soul of the system. The interface is simple and intuitive, suitable for all operating systems. From here, starting work orders is simple. You can monitor pending and scheduled transactions and verify the correct course of operations. During fluid transfer, you can view the total amount dispatched, which can also be printed. MCO GO records all of your fluid transfers. It is possible to filter these selections and export them onto a USB drive. By choosing to integrate the system to the dedicated MCO GO software cloud, all data will be visible directly through the web. MCO GO is compatible with the entire range of GPV 2.0 and EasyView nozzle from Piusi for use with lubricants, diesel, AdBlue, windscreen, and antifreeze. Maximum technical performance and reliability, all from a single source. Furthermore, MCO GO is perfect for any retrofit of existing systems. By adding the GPV and control unit, it is possible to upgrade your system and enter the universe of controlled lubricant supply. Are you ready to discover a new way to manage your business? Go!